Hi guys! In this course we will be using this RESTful Booker application for test automation. This is basically an API playground with few endpoints that supports all REST methods: get, post, put, patch and delete. In this course we will create tests for all of them, as well as we'll learn how to use basic authorization. So let's look at each endpoint. Get booking IDs. Simple GET request that returns list of all bookings in the system. We also can use path parameters to filter results. Get booking. Another simple GET endpoint that returns specific booking. Create booking. No need to explain, just a post endpoint that lets us create new booking. Update booking. With this one, we can replace current booking with the new one. This endpoint accepts put requests, so we need to submit full body on new booking. Partial update booking. This is the patch endpoint. Here we can modify fields of existing booking. And delete booking. Also self-explaining endpoint. We submit the ID of the booking we want to delete and it removes it. There is also health check endpoint. Just confirms if the API is up and running. One important thing, RESTful Booker resets every 10 minutes. So when we create new booking, it will be automatically deleted. So sometimes we can get an unexpected result where we verify our created booking, but it's not there. Also, there are many more students, not just from my course, that are using this RESTful Booker for practice. So they may interfere with our results, we may interfere with their results, but it's all should be expected, there's nothing we can do about it.